I love my job, I love what I do, but keeping track of Simon and of Umesh is very difficult, as you all probably well know. What's that? Yeah. Okay. Good thing is if you're providing some CCs, I'll put up with you. When the sales go down, you are in trouble. Thank you for the very, very warm welcome that you have given to us. Rex and I love coming to India and are so very, very happy to see all of you. You're doing an awesome job, and this is going to be a fabulous year for you. I really feel that this year we are going to beat 2012, which was the highest year we had in the history of Forever India. But we think this year we can do it. Are you guys ready to make that commitment? We only have a few months left. And I was just telling the staff today that I don't want to hear about this on January 7th or January 3rd when the year is closed out and the month is closed out. I want to know in November that we have already done it so that I can enjoy my holiday season without having to worry whether India is going to get to be there, beating 2012. So I need that commitment from each and every one of you. And I'm going to share a few ideas with you, things that we are doing that's going to help your business. We've already heard the great training that Amarjeet, the team, India, and everybody else puts together, and our marketing people here. But we also have certain things at the home office that we feel are important for you to know about. And the one important thing is Eagle managers. I understand this year we only have 62 distributorships that are going to be in Cancun. With all of you over here, that is not enough. We need more people coming. And with the increase in sales this year, I am really looking forward to the fact that we will have more and more, and maybe over 100 distributorships coming to 2016 Eagle program. So let's start talking about the importance of being an Eagle, because that is what is going to get us to the new step, to the next step to make us really successful. Bharat and Beena talked about the 3-foot rule. Very, very important that you communicate and speak with everybody around you, but you have to first set your goals. Have your goals in place, because without proper goal setting, you are not going to achieve, because you don't know what you're working towards. Some people are afraid of setting goals because they know they're going to not make those goals. Don't start out with a negative attitude. Set your goals, and so what if you don't achieve your goal? Just supposing you want to make Eagle Manager and you don't achieve your goal. What happens? Your bonus check will still be higher than it was the previous month or the previous year. So what have you lost? And you can always go ahead and extend your goal out, but goal setting is very critical. Eagle Manager program works. This is a program we thought about long and hard and talked to our global leadership team around the world to say, what is it that we need to get us to the next step? And the Eagle Manager program was given birth. In 517, we had, in 2011, we had 517 distributorships. And this year, we have 1,279. With the extra people we are going to bring next year, we are hoping to get to the 1,500 distributorships. We are really working hard towards that, and we want India to play a significant part on that. Can you do it? Fabulous. Let's just work towards that because we know with this program, our success is guaranteed. I'm not going to go through Eagle Manager qualification because if you don't know about it, talk to your leaders. You guys have great training, so I'll run through those really quickly. But we are right now still available. It's May 1st through 30th of April, so only a few months have gone past, and the Making Eagle Manager is very, very achievable. So just set your goals. That needs to be your #1 goal so that you can work towards it. And we have in place an individual who has qualified for Eagle Manager. She's going to be with us in Cancun. And rather than me tell you about what this does for you, since she has previously attended an Eagle Manager training and knows what's in store for her and is excited to be there, let me go ahead and have Fazila Parak come up and tell you about what she thinks being an Eagle Manager is about. Fazila, come on up, please, whilst I talk about you for a moment. Thank you. Fazila has been an FBO for over 10 years. She got interested in the company due to her health, as many people do. First time she qualified for Eagle was in 2013. And this year, she's going to be there as a senior Eagle Manager in 2015. So Fazila, thank you so much. I met her in Goa when we were there at the manager's retreat, and she told me her story, and it's really touching. And I want you to hear from her as to what she has done and how hard she's worked and set her goals to make Senior Eagle, and she did it this year.
Thank you so much, Nawaz. I'm blessed. I'm privileged, and I'm a little nervous also because the first time it went off Mr. X. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Nawaz. Thank you, Amarjeet, sir. Okay, I entered FLP only and only because of the products. I am an SLE patient suffering from lupus erythematosus. It's a disease worse than cancer. I was indoors in the dark for 6.5 years. I couldn't go out in any kind of light. My immunity was next to zero. I just couldn't walk. I couldn't talk. I couldn't do anything. My dad took me to all the possible hospitals, and all the doctors gave up, and they said, from bedroom to graveyard, her life is over. My reports even went to Chicago. There also doctors said nothing can be done. But thanks to my cousin, my sister, Nahid, my bhabhi's younger sister, she joined this company, she saw these fabulous products, and she told my brother, please give her these products. But I was very skeptical because I was using all the possible stuff and nothing helped me. My immunity was next to zero. I had half body arthritis. I couldn't talk. My brother forced me, my mother forced me. In my tension, I lost my dad. And just to see a smile on my mommy's face, I used the products. And you won't believe, using these products, within 12 days of intaking our products, my immunity increased to 6,500. Just in 12 days, I could walk, now I could talk, and my mom pushed me. Thanks to my mother, because she's the main person who has motivated me. And she told me, now God has given you a chance. Why don't you go out, interact with people, and start doing what you can do for a lot of people. You know, it takes so many people's blessings. That's how I came to Forever Living Products. My brothers were not allowing me because I'm from a Muslim community, and they are very conservative. Like, you know, say they'll talk that the father passed away and the brothers sent her for work and all that. But my mother said, nothing doing, let her go. I started attending a lot of trainings over here. Thanks to all the trainers, because of this training today, I think I'm here. I took a lot of knowledge, a lot of knowledge on products because I was already suffering from this disease called lupus. So I took a lot of knowledge on products. I started helping a lot of people, and then that's how my business started. And thanks to Umesh Bhai, who was always my godfather, always pushing me. You can't become a manager. You cannot become a manager. And I used to take it very positively. I had to take it as a challenge. No, Umesh, I can become a manager. I became a manager. After that, senior manager is not your cup of tea. I became a senior manager. Car plan, he said, no, only myself, Jose and Simon, only we top distributors can take car plan. It's not your cup of tea. I took a challenge. All the challenges which he gave me, I took practically, I picked up all the incentives in Forever Living. A few are left and inshallah I'll be going to complete that too. I just want to tell you one thing. Eagle Managers Retreat, all the incentives in our marketing plan are rewarding, superb, fantastic. But I can tell you one thing, Eagle Managers Retreat is the best and the easiest qualification I've ever come across. Thank you so much, Rex sir. Thank you, Nawaz, for introducing such a fabulous incentive that you can go free internationally, free trip, just doing 720 cc's. Isn't it great? Just 720 cc's, nothing more than that. And the best part is that when you qualify for Eagle Managers Retreat, automatically Managers Retreat also you qualify, just by doing that extra 30. Okay? And one more good news, that if you qualify for Eagle Managers Retreat, thanks to Amarjeet sir, that you get an extra night and you spend that extra night with those 1000 cc qualifiers. Isn't that great? I think it's superb. I went to Italy last time and then we met Rolf Cape. I was shocked. All what you see in the books and all that, and you see them, you know, and they talk to you, they interact with you, you feel so great. And after, I mean, when you qualify for Eagle Managers Retreat, you interact with so many people, you go international free, and then you have a strong base. You have a big team. So I think each and every one of you are in Eagle over here. Can I see a show of hands of managers and managers above? How many managers here? I think if each and every one of you qualify for Eagle Managers Retreat, within 2 years, FLP India will be #1. And sir, and I think we have to make Amarjeet sir very proud because he has sacrificed so much for us. Can't we do so much? And by doing this, even we are getting rewarded. We're getting big bonus checks. We are getting to, go all international. And the way they keep us, the treatment you get, it's so beautiful. If I'm me being a woman, I'm a lupus patient. If I can do it, y'all can't do it. You have to just set your goal, sit with your upline. Just 60 cc's per month. And by the time when the qualification period ends, you'll be surprised that you are already qualified. If you are a manager, approximately your CC should be approximately 40, 50, 60, whatever. Even if your CCs are now 30 or 40, can't you do an extra bit? Just 60 CCs, it's 720 and you're qualified. See the respect. I got name, I didn't only get good health, I got a reason to live. I have my own identity now. You can, if you're today evening or maybe tomorrow, you all can go to your family doctors and ask them what is lupus. He'll get a shock, he'll ask and tell them that you spoke. I was talking on stage, he will ask you, was she talking? Can she walk? Does she have hair on her head? Because a lupus patient doesn't have all this. And I have got only and only because of these miraculous products, Forever Living products. I had such bad arthritis, my hands were like this, I couldn't walk. Thanks to Artixia and Forever Freedom. Now I can run. I couldn't talk, I used to pant, I used to do that. And now, my family and Umesh bhai, they join hands. Shut your mouth, how much you're talking. Every single day he has to tell me how much you're talking, how much you're blabbering. But I just can't help it, it's in my blood now. The products are so good, superb. So I think if I can do it, all of y'all can do it. Please, all managers start, and all those who are not managers, as soon as possible, now become managers. And enjoy this superb incentive which Rex and Nawaz has kept for us. They're so kind enough that, sir, you I mean, we can qualify it just in 720 cc's. That's it. If I can do it, why can't you? I just want to tell you all one more thing. I still have lupus. I am still a lupus patient because science has not yet advanced so much that lupus can go. But a lupus patient cannot talk, cannot walk, cannot eat. I can do better than a normal person. Yeah. We have got such fantastic management. I think FLP India has got the best of the management. Best. We have the best of the NetCore members who are doing that extra bit, going out of their way and helping your team so that you get successful. Best of the net members, best trainers. You have a full, I mean, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बोलूँगी, they have a little thing, they told me that. Okay, platform ready है. You have got a platform. Grab the opportunity. मैं तो किसी को नहीं छोड़ती हूँ. Whether I go for weddings or I go for funerals. I have signed up people in funerals. I don't know, that doesn't mean that you all start pushing people in funerals. But the thing is that I don't leave anybody anywhere. Whether it's on the road, whether we go for a function, whether it's a wedding or the funeral. Actually, literally I sign them up and I start talking about the products. Of late, before 4 days, I had gone out of Bombay for a holiday to a hill station. My brother and my family, my brother knew that I'm going to start my thing. Okay, so went to the hotel where we were eating. I was looking at that guy who was the main, the cashier, and my brother said, please, not here. Please, not here. I said, yeah, okay. I said, forget it, then he'll feel bad. That whole day went, I was so upset. Because I was suppressing that entire thing within me. The next day, when we went to have lunch in the same hotel, my brother was talking on the phone and I grabbed the opportunity. I got up and I ran to that guy and I just spoke to him about the products and everything. And you won't believe, when my brother saw, my bhabhi means my brother's wife, she told my brother that don't tell her anything, you know you can't stop her. Let her do, let it be. She's feeling happy about it, let it be. I signed that guy up. I took an order of 12,500 rupees. That person is going to go finish his 2 cc's this month itself. He ordered for 4 DAF forms and I told him that I'm going to help him out and help his team. And I'll tell you all the best thing. My brother came behind me. He started giving testimony of Arctic Sea. He started talking about the tooth gel and all that. And then my brother told that I know that you cannot keep it with you because it is within you. So that's how it is. If somebody come to me for 2 products, I will give them 4 or 5. Without tooth gel, I don't give products to anybody. If you don't want any rubbish to go in your stomach, start your day with a tooth gel. And I want to tell each and everyone over here that if you all are giving products to people, do not give them if they do not take the tooth gel. Forget it. Next. That person will come running. Give a tooth gel first, then start our products. Because you start your day with rubbish, our products will not help. I tell them on their face. Got it? So, that's how I've got a very strong retail business. I've got good networkers also under me, and I'm very proud, I'm very happy that now this time I'm a senior Eagle manager. I have another Eagle manager under me, Santosh. I'm very proud of him. And now my main dream is to create more and more Eagles in my team. And I think if each of you manager also start thinking the same way, India will be number 1. Thank you so much, sir. Me and my family are ever grateful to you, sir. If it was not for your products, I wouldn't be alive today. I wouldn't be alive. I'm only alive because of the products. It gave me a reason to live. I got name, fame, everything. Lots and lots of people's blessings I've got. Thank you so much. I want to thank Amarjeet, sir. Sir, thank you so much. You're doing so much for us. Superb management. Thank you, Nikita ma'am. Thank you, Smita, Hetal, Kalpesh, Sharmila. Super. We have got super staff. Thank you so much, the NetCore members, Jose, Simon, Umesh bhai, of course, my godfather. Thank you, Nahid, for getting me in this company, and because of that I'm alive. Thank you to all my downlines, all the trainers, and I hope I'm not missing out on people. Bharat bhai, Beena Ben, Praful sir, Nana sahab, everybody, all my well-wishers. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, thank you so much, Fazila. As far as I'm concerned, for all the years you didn't talk, you're allowed to talk as much as you want to, no matter what Umesh says. And Umesh, this reverse psychology you've been using, telling her no, she can't make it, I'm not sure it's the best way, but in Fazila's case, it worked. So
she cannot do chairman bonus, I can challenge her.
I will do it and show.
Good for you, good for you. Thank you very much, thank you. Was that a great testimony or what?
Excellent.
Why is she such a success? You can feel her motivation, you can feel her passion, you can feel her focus. Not one person in this room could say that she is not 150% committed to forever. Fazila, my hat's off to you. Awesome job. Her passion for the products, her goal setting has made her into a fabulous Eagle manager. And from last year to this year, she went for Senior Eagle. As she said, if she can do it, why can't you? All the hands that went up talking about who all the managers are here and above, why are you not Eagles? What is stopping you from doing it? I hope with her story, you guys will have that achievement as one of your goals, because I know it is a simple program and can do it. We're not asking for 120 case credits, which you needed to become a manager. Only 60 case credits is all that you need, and new people that you sponsor, and 100 new case credits coming from them. That will take you to Greece, and you absolutely want to be there. Like I said earlier, if you don't reach that goal, doesn't matter. What are you going to have? A bigger check each month anyway. And if you make Eagle manager, the respect from your peers for achieving that level, that is really, really awesome. So I hope a lot of you will work hard, set your goals to be with us in Greece. Look how beautiful it is, Costa Navarino, Greece. How could you not want to be there? The beautiful blue ocean, the wonderful homes out there, the wonderful hotel. And then the people that are coming to Cancun, the 63 distributorships that are coming, when they come back, you'll be hearing from them as to everything that happened. And like Fazila said, the training, rubbing shoulders with the GLT, the top people. Rolf Kipp, who walked away with a $1.2 million chairman's bonus check. Do you not want to talk to him and find out how he did it? This is the place to be. The global rally, there's too many people, it's difficult. With this smaller group, you can learn from the best. So for those of you who've qualified to come to Cancun, we're going to be staying at the Moon Palace Resort. It's beautiful. Yes, I heard a few wows, and I hope everybody that said wow on this is going to make sure that they're going to be with us in Greece. We're going to have some fun, partying. We make our events fun, and you want to be there. We've got some incredible trainings, some fabulous motivational moments and inspirational moments. All the countries which are doing really well. You guys talk about wanting to be number one. You need to double your sales if you want to be number one, because UK right now is doing 70,000 case credits a month. You want to beat UK? Yes. You know what you need to do. They talk about Eagle manager, Eagle manager, Eagle manager. All the new FBOs that come in have to set a goal to make Eagle manager. That's what you need to work on also. Focus on Eagle manager. Some of the things that people that are attending will enjoy is Asha Juma from the UAE. She joined in October 2011, achieved 2,500 case credits already in 2015. First-time Eagle manager, and you will hear her speak and find out how she did it, how she achieved that. And we have Lisa Prescott from the UK. This is where the growth is coming currently, and all over Europe for that matter. She joined in November 2013 and 5,000 case credits in 2015. Already a level 1 chairman's bonus qualifier, and she has made senior Eagle. Did she just do it because she just walked in? No. They all have their dream books. They set up dream books. They set up goals, and they achieve those goals, which is what qualifies them. So if you want to be successful in this business, if you want to grow your business more than it's growing right now, you need to make sure you are talking Eagle and you are training Eagle. That's really, really important. So to all of the trainers, please, you do a fabulous job with your trainings, but push Eagle Manager because that's a very critical part about the growth that we're going to enjoy. Forever has products that are most fabulous in the marketplace. We don't just come up with a product that we introduce. We look at what the marketplace is, what is really selling, and then think about what we should be adding to help our FBOs get to the next level and make the products easy for them to market and retail. So let's look at about the industries that we are in. We are in weight management, we have skincare products, we have personal care, fitness, and nutrition. Look at what the market is currently on those products. And we want to make sure that we get a good percentage of that market by taking our products to all the people out there who need them. In addition, for the people who were there at the Global Rally, we came up with a completely new line, our essential oil line, something we have not done before. And it is the best essential oil on the market today. I guarantee that, and we have great testimonials on that. The current market on the essential oils is $25.3 billion, but it's scheduled to grow by 5.8% to $35 billion in 2019. So yet you have another great product line as soon as the approvals are in that you're going to be able to take to the market. And somebody may not want to drink the aloe vera gel to start with, but the tooth gel is easier to sell because people don't have to drink that. And I think essential oils will also be very, very critical to our product line and to their success. So as soon as you get it, make sure you're ready with your list of people you're going to be contacting. So to help you sell those products, we have FLP 360. In this day and age, it may get a little bit more difficult to get to people around the world. In the past, it used to be very difficult, but now we are just one global world. You can reach anybody you want to 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is that simple. And we did not want to miss on that opportunity. We wanted to be sure that we give to you success tools that will get you where you need to go. We wanted to give you your business at your fingertips. When we introduced FLP 360, it became very popular overnight. People that started using it were seeing amazing results. So we also came up with a mobile site now so that everybody has their smartphones that they walk around with. Your business is going to be right there on your mobile phone if you have FLP 360. We have an FBO here who I understand really works well with FLP 360 and is growing his business using social media. So Jitendra Gosai, please come on up and tell them how you're using it and how success you have enjoyed. Jitendra has been an FBO for 12 years. He's currently a soaring manager. and he is actively utilizing FLP 360. So hear from him.
કેમ છો બધા? वो सबको आ गया गुजराती है ना? वेलकम रेक्सर, एक रेक्सर के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। इवन नवाज के लिए भी। दोस्तों, मेरा नाम जितेंद्र गोसाई है, मैं बड़ौदा से हूं। जब ये जो 360 है ये पहले माई FLP 20 हुआ करता था, जब ही से ये इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है तब से मैं उसको यूज कर रहा हूं। कितने लोग माई FLP 20 या 360 यूज किया है कभी? अभी कितने लोग 360 यूज कर रहे हैं, है ना? और मोबाइल कितने लोग यूज कर रहे हैं? व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक, एवरीवन, है ना? तो इससे क्या फायदा हम लोग ले सकते हैं? आप लोगों को शायद मालूम होगा कि फेसबुक के माध्यम से इंग्लैंड में, यूके में काफी लोगों ने बहुत जबरदस्त बिजनेस किया है। कितने लोगों को मालूम है? बहुत कम लोगों को मालूम है, राइट? तो मैंने क्या किया ये मैं आपको बताता हूं। मैंने सबसे पहले जब वेबसाइट बनाया तो पहले उसको कस्टमाइज किया। कस्टमाइज किया मतलब मेरी स्टोरी मैंने ऐड की, मेरे अचीवमेंट्स है वो मैंने वहां पे लगाए, फोटोग्राफ्स लगाए, प्रॉफिट शेयर के, जो भी मेरी अचीवमेंट्स है सब मैंने वहां पे लगा दी, ताकि जब कोई भी बंदा मेरी वेबसाइट विजिट करता है तो उसको मालूम चलेगा कि FLP क्या दे सकता है। और 5 पेज का बेसिक जो 5 पेजेस है उसके, वहां से उसको आइडिया आ जाता है। मेजोरिटी लोग है ना वो लंबी लंबी वेबसाइट या बहुत ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन इनिशियली देखना नहीं चाहते, हाँ कि ना? यस। तो एक 5 पेज का, 6 पेज का जो एक छोटा सा वेबसाइट है जहां से उसको सब इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाती है, प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में, बिजनेस के बारे में, कंपनी के बारे में और आपके बारे में, तो तब उसके दिमाग में आता है कि ये कुछ अच्छा तो लगता है, यहां से फिर आपकी शुरुआत हो जाती है। तो ये 360 का सबसे पहला जो बेनिफिट है वो ये है, आप उसको कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं। आपने आपका वेबसाइट बना दिया, अब आपको क्या करना है? उसको प्रमोट करना है। आपने बनाया और आप प्रमोट नहीं करेंगे तो आपका काम होने वाला नहीं है। तो प्रमोट कैसे करेंगे? आप सब लोग सुबह में गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड नाइट, हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी नवरात्रि मैसेज भेजते हैं व्हाट्सएप से? ओके, फेसबुक यूज करते तो फेसबुक पे भी बहुत सारी चीजें आप अपलोड करते हैं। मैं क्या करता हूं मैं बताता हूं। मैं जितने भी मेरे मैसेजेस है उस सब मैसेज में मेरी वेबसाइट नीचे लिखी हुई होती है। तो गुड मॉर्निंग का मैसेज दिया तो मेरी वेबसाइट जो है वहां पे है। अब आपको मैसेज अच्छा लगा, आपने भी फॉरवर्ड किया, उन्होंने भी फॉरवर्ड किया, सबने फॉरवर्ड करना उसको स्टार्ट किया, तो मेरी वेबसाइट धीरे धीरे प्रमोट हो रही है। जो आप वेबसाइट को प्रमोट करेंगे तो आपका बिजनेस बढ़ेगा। अब आपको लगेगा कि ये कौन पढ़ने वाला है छोटी सी चीज, आपको शायद मालूम नहीं होगा। पिछले 2.5 महीने में ये चीज से मेरे अंडर में 28 न्यू एप्लीकेशन, नए फॉर्म भरे गए ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट के थ्रू। 28। अगर आपकी वेबसाइट को आप प्रमोट करते हैं सही ढंग से तो आपका फोन नंबर है, आपकी वेबसाइट है, तो वहां से आप सबसे पहले तो आपके नीचे काफी सारे लोग, तकलीफ तो यही होती है कि नए नए लोगों से बात कैसे करें, नए नए लोग बिजनेस में लाएंगे कैसे, तो ये सबसे अच्छा जरिया है आपकी खुद की वेबसाइट पहले बनाओ। दूसरा जो फायदा है वेबसाइट बनाने के बाद, ये आप लोगों को आपकी वेबसाइट पे आमंत्रित कर सकते हैं, वो देखेंगे और आपके साथ ज्वाइन करेंगे। तीसरा जो फायदा मैंने देखा कि जो मेरे एग्जिस्टिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर है उनके बिजनेस को मुझे अगर वॉच करना है तो काफी सारे रिपोर्ट्स है वहां पे, जिसकी मदद से आप आपके डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के बिजनेस को वॉच रख सकते हैं। क्योंकि हर बार मैं आपको पूछ नहीं सकता कि भैया आपका कैसा बिजनेस चल रहा है, ये कितना कर रहा है, वो कितना कर रहा है। तो मैं 360 के थ्रू टोटल मेरी जो डाउनलाइन है उसके ऊपर मैं ध्यान रख सकता हूं और जो वीक जा रहा है उसके पीछे मैं काम कर सकता हूं। इज इट ग्रेट आइडिया? अगर आपका कोई अच्छा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर वीक पड़ रहा है या कम काम कर रहा है, अगर उसको आपका सपोर्ट मिल जाए और वापस वो ट्रैक पे आ जाए, वापस वो अपना बिजनेस ज्यादा बढ़ाने लगे, तो आपका फायदा होगा या नुकसान? फायदा होगा। मैंने प्राइवेट भी ऐसी वेबसाइट बनाने के लिए सोचा था मैंने, लेकिन उन दोनों का फर्क क्या समझा मैंने कि प्राइवेट वेबसाइट में ये ऑनलाइन ज्वाइनिंग, ऑनलाइन परचेजिंग जो होता है, इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे भी अगर आपने इसको प्रमोट किया तो आपके काफी सारे कस्टमर ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड या यूएस में आपकी साइट से लोग प्रोडक्ट खरीद रहे हैं आपके आईडी से। ऐसा किसी के साथ हुआ है? मेरे साथ हुआ है। तो वहां से भी लोग प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं अगर आपकी वेबसाइट आप सही ढंग से प्रमोट करते हैं। लेकिन प्राइवेट वेबसाइट खुद की बनाई तो ऐसा होने वाला नहीं है, क्योंकि यहां तो आपका आईडी है अंदर, राइट। तो आपकी वेबसाइट के थ्रू इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे भी लोग प्रोडक्ट खरीद सकते हैं। जो रिपोर्ट से मैंने देखा, मैं इनकी रिपोर्ट देखने के बाद काफी सारे लोगों को मैं हेल्प कर पाया। फिर इसमें चैटर बॉक्स करके एक चीज है, कितने लोगों ने जिसको 360 उसने चैटर बॉक्स का यूज किया है? एनीबॉडी? ओके। अगर आपका कोई डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर न्यूयॉर्क में है, कहीं पे भी है पूरे वर्ल्ड में, अगर आप वहां पे लिखते हैं कि भाई मेरा एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर यहाँ ये सिटी में है और आई वांट कि उसको इस तरह की हेल्प मिले, तो वहां पे आपको लोग हेल्प करते हैं। किसी ने अगर एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है तो आप एक्सपीरियंस करना स्टार्ट करें, पूरे वर्ल्ड से आपको बिजनेस बढ़ाने के लिए हेल्प मिलती है, प्रोवाइडेड आपको भी हेल्प करनी है। तो ये बहुत सारे फायदे हैं, कुछ पॉइंट्स और भी मैंने लिखे हैं जो मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं। मोबाइल साइट्स, अभी सबके हाथ में मोबाइल है, तो मोबाइल साइट से भी इसका काफी बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से इसका यूज किया जा सकता है। काफी लीड्स जनरेट होती है, वो लीड्स के ऊपर आप काम करना स्टार्ट करेंगे तो काफी सारे लोग आपके पास आ सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके ऊपर आपको फॉलो अप करना पड़ेगा, काम करना पड़ेगा। और 360 आज का युग है इंटरनेट का युग। अगर आप इंटरनेट के टूल का यूज करेंगे तो आपका बिजनेस बहुत ग्रो अप कर सकते हैं। इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे लोग बहुत ज्यादा इसका यूज कर रहा है, हमारे यहाँ इतना यूज नहीं हो रहा है 360 का। तो मेरी अपील है आप लोगों से, अगर आप 360 का यूज करेंगे तो मुझे जो फायदा मैं मजे ले रहा हूं वो मजे आप भी ले सकते हो और काफी सारे लोगों तक आप पहुंच सकते हैं। फिर एक जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा एक इसका पॉइंट लगा, डैशबोर्ड अगर आपने देखा हो तो वहां पे आपकी जो रिक्रूटमेंट है उसके जो है बार्स रहते हैं, रिक्रूटमेंट आपकी कितनी है, कौन से महीने में, पिछले 6 महीने में कितना रिक्रूटमेंट आपने किया है, आपकी फर्स्ट जनरेशन, सेकंड जनरेशन, थर्ड जनरेशन, उसका ग्राफ दिया हुआ है। तो उसकी वजह से आपको मालूम चलेगा कि आपकी फर्स्ट जनरेशन में आपका जनवरी में इतना था, फरवरी में बढ़ा है, मार्च में डाउन जा रहा है, क्यों जा रहा है। तो आप उसके कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो कि सेकंड जनरेशन में क्यों कम जा रहा है। तो वो ग्राफ जब आप देखेंगे आपको मालूम चलेगा कि आपको कौन सी जनरेशन में और ध्यान देने की जरूरत है, जिसकी वजह से आपकी टीम भी ग्रो करेगी और आपका ग्राफ जो है वो धीरे धीरे ऊपर 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 चला जाएगा। तो ये जो टूल है डैशबोर्ड वाला वो भी आपको यूज करना चाहिए। और वॉल्यूम चार्ट है, वहां पे कहां से कितना वॉल्यूम आ रहा है, कम आ रहा है तो आप उसके ऊपर भी ध्यान दे सकते हैं डिटेल में अंदर जाके। तो इसी तरीके से मैंने 360 का यूज किया है और मुझे बहुत बहुत उसका फायदा हुआ है। मेरे ख्याल से अगर आप यूज करना स्टार्ट करेंगे, और इससे रियल सेंस में मैं आपको बताऊं कि अगर एक साल का 12-13 हज़ार रुपया उसका फीस है, किसी को लगता है 12 हज़ार रुपया देने का है, आप मैनेजर है और आपने 360 वेबसाइट आपने लिया है, तो आपके नीचे सिर्फ 2 लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे पूरे साल में, उन्होंने सिर्फ 2-2 सीसी सिर्फ किया, तो आपका तो पूरा पैसा वापस आ गया। सबसे बड़ी बात है, जब आप मैं ऐसा नहीं कहता foreverlink.com हमको प्रमोट नहीं करना चाहिए, वो साइट बराबर है, लेकिन वहां पे लोग जाते हैं, बहुत सारे इन्फॉर्मेशन है, लोग है ना कौन सी इन्फॉर्मेशन देखनी उनको मालूम नहीं चलता है। पहले फर्स्ट स्टेप में बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन, हमारी साइट देख ली, सेटिस्फाई हो गया, फिर foreverlink.com है, डिस्कवर फॉरएवर सब कुछ है। तो अगर आप खुद ये 360 को अगर आप 360 लेते हैं आप और आपका साइट बनाते, 4 वेबसाइट बना सकते हैं आप अलग अलग नाम से, उसमें है ना, आपने अलग अलग नाम से बना दिया और उसका आपने प्रमोट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, तो 360 आपकी जिंदगी में वंडर कर सकता है, आपके बिजनेस को बहुत आगे ले जा सकता है। और अगर इतने मैनेजर्स 360 स्टार्ट करें, तो जो यहाँ गोल है ईगल मैनेजर का, यहाँ 1200 के ऊपर ईगल मैनेजर जो बने हैं, उतने ईगल मैनेजर तो सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान 2 साल में दे देगा। बस यही मैं कहना चाहता था। और दोस्तों आप जरूर, इसका ट्रायल पैक भी है, अगर आप 1 महीना यूज करें, 2 महीना यूज करें, पहले पूरा डिटेल आपका डाल दें और फिर उसको प्रमोट करें, तो आप सक्सेस होंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू वेरी मच जितेंद्र, थैंक यू। Thank you guys, thank you very much Jitendra. If you want to ignite your business, you need to get FLP 360. Like he said, you can tie your website to FLP 360. You can have 4 websites you can try. And then all you can, maybe you talk about one nutritional, you can talk about skincare products, you can talk about weight loss, and the people that go to your site, if you can make those things very interesting, if I want to lose weight and I see that, I would be interested in going to that and seeing what it is that you have out there that I may not be aware of. The money we are talking about is just a little bit as far as it's going to cost you 1,170 rupees a month. But I had an individual in Bangladesh who has the 360 tell me that he gets more retail sales, about 10 times more products he sells retail on his FLP 360 and his website than what it's costing him. He said he never dreamed that that would be happening. Jitendra mentioned that he sponsored a bunch of new people that he would have had no way of being able to find because of that. Of his 28 people that he got, even if 5 of them decide to start building a business, he will well make up the money that he has spent on subscribing to 360. So don't get caught up in the fact that you have to spend a little bit of money, because that little bit of money will multiply and will give you a great business and great foundation, and new people that you never even have ever had a chance to talk to will be joining your company. This is the home screen for the app that we have, which will help you manage and grow your business. It's all handled through Google. Like I mentioned, 1,170 rupees is all you're going to need to pay. And try it for a year. You can always decide you don't want it, but I can tell you for sure that if you use it effectively, that you will know that this is a big success for you. In addition to this, maybe this is something that you don't know, and we have just started recently, is some free webinar trainings. We're doing this for FBOs in North America, but it is available for everybody else all around the world. It is on the website, is vimeo.com, forever North America. And we do trainings 3 to 4 times a week. Those trainings, if it's a time for you when you're sleeping and can't get access to it, are on the website for another week afterwards, so you have an opportunity to go ahead and see what it is that some of the executives and some of the trainers at the home office are talking about and training on. So we cover forever business opportunity. So how am I going to sponsor a new product? How am I going to, new person, how am I going to speak with them? This tells you that how you can share the business opportunity with people, how you can build a manager business, what you need to do to get started, and of course, our shopping list. Our Amazon is our incentives. You want people to get motivated, you can find out what their needs are. If they need a car, you can talk about our incentives, because that is their shopping list, that is their why, and that is something that they can work towards. In addition to that, I think, Royal, right now, are you working on the new website? We just have a brand new website. It's going to be the same look and feel all around the world. And that website is right now in the process of being checked out. I think it was just introduced to all the marketing people and the country managers a couple of days ago. They're going to be able to manage the content, so you're never going to see a website which is going to have a poster on it from 2 rallies ago. We run into that all the time, and we don't want that to be happening. So it will always be fresh, always be updated, and that is coming soon. And I'm really hoping that we get to that in the early part of October. So look forward to it, and here are some of the pages that it's going to look like. Very bright, very colorful, fabulous shots and their great stories. And from Discover Forever, we are going to move all of our trainings, all of our videos to this new website. Obviously, we'll be talking about all of our events also. So look forward to this website coming up, something new, something exciting for you to be able to communicate to your FBOs and the 2 new people, something you can proudly show to the new people who you want to have join your business. Your success is our success, and we are constantly coming up with things that we can do to help you build a better and a more successful business. But we can do the best we can. We can do everything for you. But if you sit in front of your television set day after day after day and not talk to anybody, what results will you get? The same you're getting right now, right? You need to be like Fazila. You need to talk to everybody, no matter what your mother, your brother, or anybody else says. You need to spread the word. Because if you miss that opportunity, maybe there's somebody that really needed our products badly, and you are not going to share them with them. What happened if she hadn't found out about the products, if somebody hadn't told her? What would have happened to her? Would she have survived through this? What sort of life would she have had? So you are not doing this for yourself. You are doing this business to help others. Caring and sharing is really, really critical for you. And you're not, if you say, I'm not a salesperson, I can't sell, don't worry about it. Just care enough about the other people to share the business opportunity, to share the products. That's all you need to do, and that success will be yours. So communication is very, very critical. If you're saying, I feel bad about talking to somebody, just treat everybody around you like an old friend, somebody you've known for a long time, and you will be able to approach them easier. People are nice. If you can show them that you care about them, if you can listen to what their needs are rather than talking about yourself, it'll be much easier to promote the products and the marketing program with them. You need to find out what's important in the person's life. Here's Natalie Healy. She has just joined the business not too long ago. This year, she's already done 12,500 case credits in her group already. Her business is growing well. Last year was the first time she was a global leadership manager, attended the GLT. She didn't know we knew it was her birthday. We brought a cake out. She was deeply touched, and she felt that this is a company that cared. And it motivated her to go out and work harder and share the opportunity. So tell your downline, wish them a happy birthday when it's their birthday. Send a message to them. Let them know you're thinking about them and you care. That is what our business is about. It's just like somebody, if you have a puppy or you have a baby in your hand, you're always saying, oh, what a cute baby, what a cute puppy. Same way. Just treat the people the same way, that you want them to know that you love them and you care about them. And you need to put yourself out there, not in front of your TV, because that's not achieving anything, but put yourself out there. Whether it's going to be in the bank line, whether you're going to be at the grocery store, or whether you're waiting at the bus station, or whether it's the cashier or the waiter that's waiting on you at the restaurant. If you don't do that, your business will plateau if you're not bringing new people into the business. And you don't want to get there. And you need to recognize when things are not working, when your business is going down or it's not growing, that you've reached that plateau. It happens to everyone, but the more successful people don't let this get them down. They know where they are, and they change what they have been doing. Reaching a plateau can be very demoralizing, and once you get demoralized, then it's harder to pull yourself up by the bootstraps and say, I'm going to change my ways. So before you get there, when your business isn't growing, you need to figure out what the issues are and start changing things around. Can you guys do it? Are we going to have more Eagle managers next year? You cannot depend on your upline, your downline. You have to be the one. It is your business. You have to motivate them. You have to learn from your upline, but it's you. You're the one who has to do it because this is your business. But it's a business where you don't have to make an investment. The Shahs just mentioned that. No investment needed. And sometimes when people don't have to make any investment, they feel like, oh, I don't need to do anything. Well, then you get nothing. But if you want to be a success, as you've heard, many of these people, and young people here, look at Prem, how old is he? 20, 21 years old. Look how successful he has been. This business is for everyone. Whether you're 18 or you're 80, everybody can do this business, but your business is in your hands. So I ask of all of you, it is time to refocus. It is time to change your thinking. It is time to broaden your horizons. It is totally possible. And whilst the company is growing and the country is growing, it's the best time to jump on the bandwagon and ride in on the coattails of all the people who are being successful. But to do that, you have to refocus. You have to review your goals on a constant basis. And you have to remember your why you're doing this business. And if you've achieved that why, you need to come up with another why. What is your dream? What is your next dream? What do you wish to achieve? That will set your goals in place. Work hard, and that will gain momentum for your business. Work towards Eagle Manager like we've talked about, because that is critical. And Ratan Tata, as you all well know, very familiar with him here, and all of his great achievements in this country, and he's touched many, many lives. He has said, "None can destroy iron, but its own rust can." Likewise, none can destroy a person, but his own mindset can. Very simple. Do not let your mindset destroy you. You guys are fabulous, you're fun-loving, make your business fun, make people want to be around you. And with the right mindset, the right goals, the right focus, you will be a success. I know it. I love you, thank you.